you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the silver swag box to show you for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so February 2023 silver swag box has arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I really enjoy this box and the themes and what they do with them. And I really love when there is a holiday in the month because sometimes they do go with that holiday theme. So this month being Valentine's Day, I'm really excited to see if we're gonna have any holiday themed items. So let's take a look and you can find out with me. You wanna know? Because I do. So when you first open up the, oh, I didn't finish, there we go. When you first open up the box, it looks like that. And so for the theme for this month, it says the February box, and there's books on it, like little book images right there. So when we cut the tape, there is a sneak peek. There's a sneak peek to inside of the box. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Okay, so where is the card? Did I not get a card this month? And nothing fell out, right? No. So I don't have a card on the top of my box. I try to kind of shuffle through here. There's no card. So I'm going to basically just have to show you what they are. They normally have a card in there that gives us a little bit more information. It doesn't go over the pricing, but it does go over a little bit more information about each product, and that didn't make it in my box. So let's just go through the items and see what we have. This is what I was like, oh my gosh, this looks absolutely amazing. Look at those. Oh my gosh. And they're, wait, do I have to make them or they're already done? At first I was thinking, because I saw cake batter, I was thinking that it was just a mix and you have to make your own. They're really in here already done for you. Oh my gosh, those look so good. Look at this. Look at those. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's try these because I want to know if they're super soft, if they taste like red velvet. They already smell so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when we pull out a cookie, that is how it looks with that drizzle over it. Oh my goodness. They smell so good. Super moist. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It does have like a cake batter feel to it when you're chewing it, but obviously it's cooked. But that is really good. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Okay, and so what else I saw on top were these little packets right here, and it says Harney and Sons Master Tea Blenders, Raspberry Herbal Tea, Caffeine Free. So here is 3 different packets of raspberry tea. That is amazing, especially again with the theme for Valentine's Day. Now we have, it says the really tiny book light clips onto your book. I'm not sure if they have different colors that are sent at random, but this is pink. Again, festive for this holiday month, but that is so neat. And it looks like it does, it's like adjustable. You can put it in different positions. There we go. And that's what it would look like on the book. So that is neat. If you are a book reader and you read books or crossword books or anything like that, you can utilize this guy to give you some more light. That is awesome. All right, so the next little treat in here is kettle popcorn. It says sweet singles. That looks good too. I like that you get the little treats in here. You can share them with somebody or you can just eat them all on your own. It's your discretion, but you do have some popcorn and the whole thing is pretty full, so that is like a good shareable size. We have this right here. Ooh, it's a Kate Spade of New York, and it is like it's like a reusable bag, but it's for books. Let me remove the plastic so you can see it better. It's not for books, it has books on it. Let me clarify that really quick. You can use it for books if you would like though, but it is like a canvas bag that you can use for anything, but I think it's probably intended to like haul your books around or store your books in if you wanted to. But if you are a book junkie, at least this bag will have some books on it to look cute while you're hauling your stuff around. And it does say Kate Spade right on the bottom right there, like in a goldish kind of like font. Is it gold or silver? It's like a goldy kind of color right there, Kate Spade. And here is the tag. And it says bookshelf book tote. And the price on here is $26.95 is what that is. That is so cool though. And for Kate Spade, that is neat to see in here. And after I noticed there's actually even a pocket inside. We have, it looks like one other item, and it's this little guy right here. I don't see any other ones. And unfortunately, I have no clue what in the world this is. If I had the card, I could read it and it might give me some more information about this guy. But I don't know what it is. It just looks like this with a hole in it. So I don't know if you're supposed to put your finger in it. I don't know what you do with this. If you guys know, comment down below and let me know what in the world this little guy is used for. But it looks like it's a piece of wood. There's two different tones of the wood. It's like two pieces put together. That's actually pretty neat now that I know how it's used. And that is definitely everything inside of this box. So a quick recap, you have this little guy right here. You have a bag of kettle corn. You have these amazing cookies right here. You have a book light, 3 things of tea, and then this Kate Spade book bag. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for the February box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put inside this box? What do you think of Silver Swag? Definitely let me know below. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you $15 off your very first box. Send love and stay connected. Their mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. What's inside? Each monthly box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. That's right. They also give you the conversation starter card that gives you some talking points if you wanted to talk to somebody. Those I don't have in here to tell you what they would have been either, but that is normally in this box as well. There's talking points. So if you did want to talk to somebody, could be a neighbor, it could be somebody at the bus stop, at the doctor's office, wherever, you would have some talking points that go with the theme to talk about. The boxes include daily use personal care items, conversation cards, and more. Fun activities, household items, home gadgets, monthly themed snacks, personal care items, stuff like that. And upon signing up, you do get to tell them your dietary preferences on the order confirmation page. I do like that. So you can choose your plan. If you want to do month to month, this box is $49.99. If you go to 6 months, you can bring that down to $47.49. And a 12-month plan is $44.99. For the 6 and the 12-month plan, the last time I checked, you do get free shipping. And for the month to month, you get a $5 shipping charge for USA only. They only ship to the United States. So month to month, an additional $5. The other 2 are free shipping. So that is everything for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.